What's up, Dozy Gang? Welcome back to another banger video. So now in today's video, as y'all could tell by the title, I'm finna be giving y'all a room makeover / tour or something like that. But yeah, before we get into the B-roll of me setting up my room, I just want to let y'all know I don't really got a lot of collectibles, like, you know, hype beast collectibles like Supreme, Bape, and all that. Basically, all the collectibles I got in this video is stuff that I already had. So I haven't went shopping for collectibles on StockX and all that. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting a video of me actually going shopping for collectibles and posting them up in my room. So my room might look a little dry, but it's definitely gonna get better. This is just like the start of it. And yeah, let's get right into this B-roll.
Choose Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
find a fresh frame of mind at Planet Fitness.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, Dozy Gang, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's room makeover slash tour. And make sure y'all stay tuned for the collectible video. And yeah, make sure y'all also hit the like, comment, subscribe. Put on that post notifications button. Because we finna be dropping some old banger videos. Dozy Gang out. Y'all be safe.